Hello everybody. Another vlog. What else to say? Today we are plowing. My brother is pouring manure today on a field. I'm going to plow it, and yeah, nothing more. Let's get to work. I'll start with cleaning cab a little bit in the shed because it's really dirty. When I go to for bagging, my cab gets dirty because window is open all the time, so I can get in tractor fast if I need to stop something, and all the maize is in here. We have like 5 rulers here, mud on the ground, so I'm gonna clean it a little bit, wipe it down, and yeah, go for a field. I want it to be a little bit nicer feel for the tractor to work in it. Who put that there? Okay, we have some space now. Not fully into the shed, but better than before. Yeah, I'm gonna clean something. Clean a little bit. I'll start with the ground. Not perfect, but clean. Ko? A kur viņš ir pabraukt ārā? Windows are not clean, but I couldn't find window cleaner and baby wipes. I think it's not the best solution, but the cab is clean. Smells good too, but not the best smell. Okay, we're gonna mount plow and front weight and go on the field. I will not film how we mount. We did a million times. Okay, we never mount this plow on the camera, but yeah, we're gonna do that now. So first of all, we are doing this field with grass this year and for next year's also, because we have to let 10-meter strip from the river or drainage, and yeah, that's the first one. Second, there is 2 hectares, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electricity poles, second of all, and there is third 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. Just no point to do this field. I don't know, it runs pretty smooth. I don't know a lot about ploughing, but I know you have to make as straight surface as you can. At least I think it has to be as straight as you can. Ground is really good for ploughing. It's not wet fully, so there is not a lot of chunks. And yeah, it's soft, and it's gonna stay like this till next spring, and we're gonna see drill grass in it. So yeah. What can I say? Situation is pretty sticky right now. This end of the field is wet. That side is okay. So in comment sections, if you know why my plow doesn't go straight and makes the drive like with a bend, please tell me why, because I don't know. I know how to make a pretty even plow field after plow, but I don't know how to plow straight. So yeah, if you know, please tell me. seems like something is on this one. Yeah. What the fuck is that? Interesting. We have left this small corner and that end. Yeah, I don't know what are those rings or what are they, but the tree, it's like they were put in somewhere. Yeah, okay, I need to concentrate. We finished field. We meet you together. Field is finished. Yeah, I'm gonna check the other field. I think it's too wet because this one at one end was too wet already to drive. So maybe I'll finish that tomorrow. And today I'm taking off. You gotta go. You gotta go. That field is not with that a lot of corners, but it's still small. Yeah, I hate small fields. It's getting dark outside, but we are continuing with plowing because my brother poured manure on the field, and the rule is that you have to put it in the ground, plow it in the ground in 12 hours. So yeah, we are going back on the field now. I will estimate around 3 hours of work, but maybe it's gonna be less. Maybe it's gonna be less. Something happened with the telescopic loader. It can go forward, backward. So that is going to fix that, and they are blocking the road. And I don't want to get into mud right now. After work, after I finish with the field, I'm gonna go in mud, finish with the farm. But yeah, basically that's all I'm going to the field. Okay, see you on a field. So this field is easier, but still small field, and we don't like small fields. So yeah. let's start. At least I'm driving straight, but grass is too long. It's not grass, it's weeds. One special weed that I don't know the name of. Okay, translation here. On a good note, I'm almost 150. I almost have 150 subscribers by now. Probably when this video is gonna be out, it's gonna be 200. Super fucking excited about that. I don't know. I like that somebody is watching my videos. I'm so enjoying. I'm so enjoying everything I do with vlogging, for filming. I'm working on 3 platforms, on TikTok, on Instagram, and yeah, on YouTube. I don't know why, but when I'm talking, I have this, I want to burp all the time. So yeah, I don't know why it's that. So all the time when I'm talking, I'm like doing this, I'm burping. Yeah, we have a lot of rocks here underneath. We are trying to pick all them up each year, but they keep coming. But now situation gets better. But this year we have to pick all the rocks till minimum. Like, so there's no rocks because Jaguar is there will be grass, alfalfa here, and you don't want rock in your Jag. We found the rope, so if we get stuck, we can get pulled out. We need to take off. I'm gonna finish this end, and then I'm gonna take it off. finishing up with this and last drive with the plow on this field, and I'm going home. Woohoo! We don't have light here, so if you don't see me, it's because it's dark. Yeah, that's all for today. I would appreciate if you liked, subscribed, and push the notification button underneath my video somewhere. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.